Alright, this is what black people sound like when they speak around a lot of white folks.
Hey, what's going on, man? How's it going? Yeah, I just got done from working. You want to drink a beer? We can hang out. I play pool. Hang out, yeah. Hold on, let me get ready.
Junior.
Hey, boy, get out of here. Get down, you. You ain't ready for this. I'm about to give you a knuckle sandwich. You're not ready, I'm tough.
I'm from the streets. I think I'm getting a little buzz off this helium, man. It's got me feeling real loopy.
Happy
No, I don't want helium. No. Why? That's it, man. I ain't got nothing left.
Go to the transition.
I don't even know if I could. There we go.